Hello everyone, my name's George.
And I'm Matt.
And welcome back to Project My Car. So in today's video we're going to give the MX-5 a good clean over, which it most definitely needs right now. But first things first, I've got to put this down and get the roof up, otherwise we're going to have quite a bit of a mess. Okay, well that's the wheels done now. Definitely looking a lot better, but probably going to end up replacing at some point, but let's move on to the rest of the car anyway.
Just for anyone wondering, we've done the snow foam a bit thicker just for this first cover because there's so much grub on the top. We just didn't want to damage the paintwork even more, so we made it nice and thick. Plus it looks better. What we're going to do is another layer of snow foam and then do the contact wash on top of that. Again, just because there is so much grit on this car, we just don't want to ruin the paintwork even more. And snow foam's fun, isn't it?
Definitely. So, all of that out of the way now, just get on drying it off, but I will admit, so far it's definitely looking a million times better because it was awful beforehand, so I'm just hoping the cameras can pick up just how bad it was before and how much better it is now. But let's go on with drying it. Now just on to the last step to get the glass all cleaned up inside and outside the car. Let's go. So yeah, as you can see, huge difference in making the car. I really hope the cameras will bring it up because it is definitely a lot better right now than it was before. Yeah, we definitely got a few bits coming up for the car. Probably focused on the small bits beforehand, but as is, it's Project My Car. We want to make it something very unique at the end of the day, so it's going to be quite a big process to change. Probably going to take a bit of time, but it should be well worth it in the end. So anything you want to add to that, Matt?
Yeah, again, just if you do like your sort of weekend warrior in terms of cleaning cars, go check out Polished Pigs. They don't sponsor us, but their products are really good. Would recommend it to most people, if not everyone, because their products are really well priced. They do sales throughout the year, so check them out for that, definitely.
Yeah, definitely got to say good. It's my first time using them for this today, and it is definitely a huge improvement. It's looking really good. Considering it's not a full in-depth clean or anything for us either today. Quite a simple thing. Can't really argue with it. Very happy with all the products, but yeah. But no, with the Project MX-5, it was with our Project My Car series, we'd like you lot to start getting in touch with us as well for your project cars, for your Project My Cars, and let us know the unique things you've done. If you get over to the Instagram, send us some pictures. We'd love to see what you guys are doing as well, and follow us along for this series to see just what we can make of this. Thanks for watching. Bye.